Morning.
Morning.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
In the concern of the petitioner, it means item number 10, 11, and 12.
Yes.
So let it be taken up on in the month of May, my lord. Let it be on 17th of May.
You are for the.
For the respondent.
Have you taken consent?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. One thing is, all other matters taken together. When only one matters they have not filed affidavit yet. That matter is that they inside the Fancy Bazaar market there are some.
This matter has been going on for a long time.
Yes,
Now
that affidavit should be given because they are waiting.
Well,
Why are you not filing your
I
affidavit?
have not received the entire instruction. I have not received the entire instruction, my lord.
No. When it's a 21 matter, when do you plan to receive the entire instruction?
My lord, one specific instruction I have no problem.
So then you have it, Mr. Goswami. You are also
For the
appearing in this
respondent.
matter.
Respondent.
I am appearing in
Item 10 for the respondent.
number 5.
Yes.
Also, no more time to file the.
That
Last chance. In which matter have you not filed your affidavit?
others
My
matters.
lord, in item number 10.
Item number 10.
And others matters should be also given.
No, I'll put.
In
Item number
item
10.
10, 11, 12.
Original.
Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Council, GMC, seeks 1 week or 2 weeks?
Well, some more time, my lord. Let it come after every.
Seeks 2 weeks time for filing the necessary return in the matter. Stop. Considering the matter pertains to the year 2021, a last chance is given to the respondent authority to file the return. Stop. List the matter date after 2 weeks on so and so date.
Lord.
Next.
My
13.
Lord, item number 9.
Yes.
With due consent of the other side, I beg to mention for adjournment.
My lord, I am taking for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner. Let it come on, my lord.
Your name?
N. Kolita.
MS N. Kolita, Learned Council for respondent.
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 Respondent,
On behalf
with
of the
consent of the petitioner, seeks accommodation for
Well, let it be on
1
26,
week.
my lord. 26. 26.
list the matter, prayer allowed, list on 26. Next.
Yes, please, Your Lordship. That's why I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship.
Yes, contempt matter.
Yes, Lordship, may allow to withdraw this petition. Already
want to withdraw?
complied. Yes, sir.
Mr. Your Aconic,
Is it, Doctor?
heard Mr. P.J. Dottor, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. It is submitted at the bar that the order
28/9/2022.
dated 20,
8/9/2022.
28/9,
2022, Lord.
2022 stands complied. Stop. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, comma, the contempt petition stands closed.
Obliged.
Disposed of.
Lordship, I have instructions to withdraw this matter.
Withdraw.
Yes.
Heard Mr. A. Kalita, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, stop. GA. Also heard MS F. Sharma, Learned Government Advocate, Assam. Stop. It is Mr. Kalita, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has received instructions from the petitioner that the petitioner to withdraw the matter. Stop. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the matter stands disposed of on withdrawal.
Obliged.
All of these items are in fact covered by your lordship judgment.
Assessment order.
Covered by the Assam Gas Company's judgment bill on which your lordship has passed.
Is it covered, Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, I have not gone to
Your lordship has seen that I have showed to your lordship. The assessment order was passed under section 40 of the Act, and it has been said that the assessment has been completed under section 35, the self-assessment.
Here also it has been said it is under 40,
40
but after the expiry.
after the expiry of the period, and they say, my lord, it has been completed. Assessment was completed under section 35, that is self-assessment.
But that cannot be
That
because
cannot be
of
because I have
the...
given a chart also at page 8, your lordship may see.
If it is similar, we'll pass a similar order, Mr. Chaudhary.
This is fully covered, my lord. I will not say otherwise.
Lordship,
Mr. Gogoi had appeared in those
yes,
matters.
Lordship, he had appeared. That's why, Lordship, I have not seen the judgment.
It will be better, Lordship, if it allows me some time to go through it and take it after a week, Lordship.
It can be disposed of. It will dispose of the matter. You have a look at it.
Will I again keep copy, my lord, 7?
Let me finish the list. I'll take it at the
My
end of the
lord,
list.
because then
But there is not much matter. So just have a look at it. Just see the facts. If it is same, it will be covered.
exactly same, my lord, I will not otherwise.
Because you see, Dr. Saraf has made a made a statement. So,
And I've given the statement also, my lord.
all right, have a look.
Covered as it.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter has been called. List the matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, in this matter, some appeal was pending, Lordship. So I do not know.
What is pending?
Appeal.
Appeal.
Read appeal, Lordship. I do not know about the outcome, Lordship.
Yes, it appears from the last order. But this is of 2019. Any idea what has happened?
Lordship, I have not, because my client is also no longer holding that post, Lordship.
Who is appearing for the petitioner? Mr. Saranya is not here in court. You can assist the court. I'll post this matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, you find out. You can check the website. Are you appearing in this matter? Item number 8.
13.
Sorry, 13.
Please,
What happened to the writ appeal?
Judgment was passed, Lordship.
Judgment passed?
Yes, Lordship.
You have a copy for the other side? So single judge's order has been upheld. Single judge's orders have been upheld.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. Then compliance.
Lordship,
Anyway, we'll give you some time. You find out.
Lordship.
It is submitted at the bar that the writ appeal number 233 of 2018, by which the order dated 16/7/2015 in WPC 5324 of 2012, which is the subject matter of the present contempt petition, has been disposed of by the has been dismissed by the division bench of this court, upholding the decision of the learned single judge. Stop. Mr.
And Bhagavati for 3.
and Bhagavati for M. Bhagavati for respondent number
3.
3, and Mr. R. Borpujari for respondent 1 shall obtain instruction in the matter. Stop. List the matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord.
Take instruction.
But in fact, we have already communicated to the revenue department because the revenue department is the administrative department of
Very well, you submit all that. You see, communication is no good. What is required is compliance. Orders of these court has to be respected. Correct? So ensure that by the next day the compliance come.
My lord. Much lord.
Bill payments. None has appeared for the petitioner on call. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, the respondent is supposed to file your affidavit.
Yes, where is respondent? Mr. Gogoi had appeared on the last occasion. K. Gogoi. Name not reflected. It appears that the name of the learned counsel for the sole respondent is not reflected in the cause list. Stop. Let registry reflect the name of Mr. Gogoi, Mr. K. Gogoi, learned counsel for the sole respondent in the cause list. List any day next week to be fixed by the registry.
Okay.
Yes.
As per official dated 10/4/2024, my lord, the service of notice on the respondent is yet to be received back.
Await service report, list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, I may just one case I may place for your satisfaction, Your Lordship, my lord. Your Lordship may see the order of reassessment
Yes.
at page 100, where it starts from 108.
Yes.
At the bottom, you will also see the order of assessment has been passed under section 40 of the Act.
Yes.
Now, you will also see the next page.
Yes. 35.
35, it says that 35 it has been completed.
Yes.
Now, I will show to you, Lordship, my lord.
In the last case also it was 35.
35, my lord, they
Which
said
date,
that,
later they said it was a typographical.
they said that 36 was not there, it was 35.
There it was 35 or 36.
My lord, the order was mentioning 36,
30.
but they said that it was typographical
Correct,
mistake, it was
correct,
35.
correct.
Now, we will also see page 8, my lord.
Page
8 of the petition.
yes. The
This is
chart.
the submission of the returns. And also, you have 21 days of the succeeding months, the return is to be submitted.
Yes.
And that all were submitted, my lord, related.
Yes.
So the self-assessment cannot be said to be completed. Now, only thing that they are relying, earlier also they relied on, the proviso to section 35.
Yes.
Proviso, my lord.
Yes.
Provided that the assessment under this subsection of every such registered dealer who is required to furnish audit report under section 62 shall be deemed to have been made if such dealer had furnished the audit report along with the annual return. Now, in this case, the annual return was submitted belatedly. Now, the proviso meaning which your lordship and last occasion said that if the annual return is submitted but the audit report is not submitted, then it will not be self-assessment. So, the meaning of the proviso is not that one submits the annual return after 2 years and only audit report is submitted along with it will be self-assessment. Because in the first part, you also may see,
1 second, Dr. Saraf.
my lord,
So the proviso says that if the audit report is furnished
My
along
lord.
with the annual return,
my lord,
then the assessment is completed, self-assessment.
self-completed. But in the first part, you also may see, it says that the annual returns are to be submitted along within time.
within time.
So, because the audit
So it
report
has to be read together.
read together,
Proviso cannot be read in
my
isolation.
lord, like assuming that the annual return is submitted belatedly, only if the audit report is submitted along with it, that is not the purpose. The purpose is that if you submit the annual return, but you have not submitted the audit report, then the self-assessment will not be completed. So the annual return along with the audit report has to be submitted.
And suppose only audit report was filed within time and later on the annual return is filed, then
Well, there is nothing that the audit report can be submitted before the
that
annual
cannot
report.
be.
And the first part you will also see, it says the monthly returns and all must be submitted within time. Now
And
assuming,
time is provided.
my lord, so assuming, my lord, somebody files the monthly returns,
Time is at Rule 21.
my lord, the monthly returns are filed belatedly. the annual return is also filed belatedly. But along with it, he submits the audit report. It cannot be said the service is completed.
All right.
So this was considered on the last occasion also, my lordship.
Rule is 21, right? That rule for where the time is provided.
My lord, 21. Lordship is dealt with in the judgment clearly, my lord.
Yes, yes. I think I've extracted the relevant provision.
21, my lord. 21 was the selected for assessment. This was 17, my lord. Rule 17. days.
Rule 17, submission of returns under section 29.
My lord.
And 29 is the periodical returns and payment of tax.
My lord. The monthly returns are to be submitted within 21 days of the succeeding month.
Yes.
And the annual return, you'll also see.
So the page 8 chart indicates it is after expiry of 21 days.
My lord. And you'll also see next page.
When did 21 days expire?
My lord, like April, it will expire on 21st May.
Date of submission, you have submitted on
26/5.
26/5. But it would have expired otherwise?
21/5.
21/5.
The next, my lord, May 21/6.
21/5/2000?
2009.
9. So just 6 days delay.
All are delayed, my lord, you'll also see.
No, but 5-6 days delay.
5-6 days delay, but October, you'll also see.
Yes.
October, November, December.
Yes.
Every month is delayed. And also annual return, you'll also see.
Have you filed any affidavit?
In one case, it has been filed.
So this is an admitted position?
It has not been disputed, my lord.
Correct.
And also see the 17.5A, my lord.
Which one?
Rule 17.5A and B.
Rule 17?
5B.
5B, yes.
Right.
Every dealer as mentioned in sub-rule 2A.
My lord. He has to file the annual return within 7 months. And that annual returns also are filed belatedly.
Now, Dr. Saraf, if these annual returns are filed belatedly, because you see at the end of the day, the SSC is filing it belated, correct? Now, in that situation, what remedy that the assessing authority had?
Audit assessment.
Audit assessment. But that has to be also done within 3 months or
5 months.
5 years.
My lord.
5 years, right?
That was not done.
So here also it was it was not done.
It's not so that they are helpless.
That audit assessment is section
36.
36.
39 is the time limit.
And that 5 years is in section
39.
Section 30.
You'll also be recorded all in the judgment.
Yes, I'm just reflecting.
My lord.
Yes.
Now we have 3 cases are under the VAT Act and 3 cases are under the Assam Anti-Tax Act. Now Assam Anti-Tax Act section 9 says the provisions of the Assam VAT Act will be equally applicable.
Which are those?
My lord,
Have you prepared a chart or something?
I've given the chart. I've given chart, my lord. For every assessment here separately, my lord.
And under the Entry Tax Act, which is that provision? You have made a chart.
Which
is that provision of the Entry Tax Act?
My lord, section 9, it has been quoted, my lord, in the petition itself.
Section 9.
My lord.
And which are the entry texts?
I have given, your Lordship, may say section, page 13 of the petition,
Page 13 of
the WPC number 7740.
7740.
40.
My tree, 7740.
कहते हैं entry text मेरे को लिखा नहीं है।
Alright, 7740 is entry text, and which are the other two?
Malol, I will do, with the top I will write Assam entry text act. That will become easier. Your Lordship, see section 9 at page 13.
Page 13.
My lord.
Yes.
Section 9 of the Entry Tax Act. Subject to the provisions of this Act and rules made thereunder, the provisions of section so and so 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40
Alright.
of the VAT Act in the subsequent part below shall also apply in respect of the Entry Tax Act.
In fact, in that compilation which you had handed over last time, had few cases of entry tax also.
Entry tax was not there, my lord, in that case.
No, not in the cases that I have dealt
No,
with.
that judgments were there.
The judgments that you had
Because
relied.
that's why the same provisions.
Yes.
Now, if you also may just see my note, my lord, 7740.
Yes.
Well, I have given first the assessment here, then section 9 of the Assam Entry Tax Act, then the order of reassessment dated so and so, the notice of demand
This is under challenge, isn't it?
under challenge, then recovery notice, certificate officer,
Yes.
details of the monthly return submitted for the assessment year, page paragraph 5, page 7 of the writ petition, annexure 1, so and so, annual return submitted at so and so of the writ petition, and 1715 of the annual return.
Alright.
Only thing, my lord, later on in the night I was going through it. I have written in the 1751, in the next page, my lord,
Yes.
that in the case of the petitioner is not liable to
Pay.
and therefore the report, this HM deleted, I will delete it, my lord.
It is not required.
It is not because the annual return, every report is required because it is common for the business.
So this will, I will,
7 months will be
I'll
there.
delete this part.
Only 3 lines I will delete, my lord.
In the case of the petitioner is liable to pay and thereby return that part.
My lord,
Okay.
I will just make little correction and submit it. I have given for different assessment here different, so that it become easier, my lord, for yours.
Alright. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, the legal issue is the
Same.
same, Lordship, but the factual difference are quite a lot.
Factual difference are?
There are factual difference in a whole of the cases.
It doesn't appear so, but in any case, let's do like this. We shall fix it on another date, and you can make your
Well, I
submission
will
on
file
that.
you some of the cases.
In 7740.
7740 they are filed. And in the, it was submitted on the last occasion that this will cover all the cases.
Then
7740 they are not disputing the sharp,
7740.
my lord.
Affidavit kon আছে নি? No, আছে.
They have argued only on the legal issue. And in fact, 2 other legal issues are there, but I am not arguing on that because the first issue will cover, so the other legal issue is not required.
You have not denied the chart.
No.
That's,
Well,
Now,
charge
in
they
that
have
case, you see, the time period is provided, and it has to be acted within the time period.
well, perhaps the charge could not be denied. I have annexed the return also, annual return also, along with the receipt, the when it was received. So there is no dispute
So
about
then
that.
it is covered.
It is fully covered, my lord.
The difference is only with regard to but the legal issues, just going through the earlier judgment of your lordship, it appears that the legal issues lordship has dealt with. Taking that into account, lordship, I have got nothing to say, lordship.
And
But
factual
the
also, factual also there cannot be dispute with
No,
the
what do you want to say about the factual aspect?
no, the factual, the sequence, as
Mr.
narrated.
Chaudhary, you see, it is, law has to be applied in the context of each case, correct?
Yes, Lord.
So therefore, a very simple question is asked to you: are these cases covered by the judgment given by this court or not?
Legal
yes
issue,
or
lordship,
no?
yes.
There
Legal
cannot
issue.
be legal issue. Yes. What is the legal issue here?
Because
The
here
factual,
also,
you-
lordship,
you-
the assessment were done under section 40.
So,
But
whether that judgment is applicable or not, yes or no, simple.
a lordship can apply.
Then say that.
because
Why is it so difficult for
No,
the
no,
government
difficult because
counsel
the
to say
factual
that?
part
factual
is there
part
given
I'm
because
saying
the typographical issue that was raised in the
That
earlier,
is
it's not
different.
there.
You
That's
see,
why the
this
few
court
facts
has
are
not given
different,
any
lordship.
finding on that, right? The court has not gone into that issue. But
and the
as
written
far
that, my lord, there cannot be dispute because I am annexed the copy of
very well, now that the government has already
My-
made it, given the endorsement
My lord.
that it is applicable.
My lord. I think one judgment thereafter, lordship, the dates extra maybe some days will have to be changed.
No, therefore, let me do like this. I'll keep it to Diana, calendar too. Probably in each of the matter,
Lordship may take it to Arunachal Pradesh and give leisurely, my lord.
2 bags are already getting ready.
My lord, this one 7 disposal on the Saturday.
Right, it's disposed of in the similar line. I will pass the order later on. Is that all right? So we will take it as disposed of.
Absolutely.
Disposed of corridor? Would I not DP?
Because the most important case will be the, my lord, which your lordship is taking to Arunachal Pradesh. That will be the first judgment of this Competition Commission.
Competition. Yes.
That will be the first case.
No, in fact, I'm carrying the Barrack also because I don't know if that Barrack
So
will
that
be
is the
available
first
there
case.
or not.
First case it will be there. I've just collected, my lord, I believe.
Yes, you please hand it over